Hello everybody, today we are going to be talking about the inputs and outputs on the circuits that you use in your day-to-day circuitry. Okay, so the execution is basically how you will power a chip or something like that. If you see a execution on a chip, it means you need to give it power or else it will not work. So an execution, short, sweet, and simple, gives power to your chips.
A bowl port can simply send a true or false output or input to your chips.
All it does is it will take a whole number. Whole numbers are like 1, 2, 3, and 4.
The float port, much like the in port, can send numbers. The difference is it can go into decimals.
So the string port is basically just letters, numbers, and symbols. That's basically just what it is.
A player port can show different types of players that are inside of the room currently, such as you or other players around you.
So to keep it sweet and simple, TLDR, the execution basically will give power to your circuits. The bool will basically say true or false statements. The integer will basically is 1, 2, 3, 4 or whole numbers. The float is basically decimal numbers, so 1.1 or something along those lines. String is basically characters, things on your keyboard, so characters, numbers, and symbols. And then the player is local, which is yourself. Invalid is the null player. And then the selected player, which is a specific player. Okay, well, that's about all. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful.